Hi everyone, today's video is just some support in dealing with some dodgy bicycle lanes. This one in particular is located in Weston-super-Mare between the Shell Garage and Lidl on Winterstoke Road. As you can see, there is a bike lane running alongside the left hand side of the road with a cyclist approaching the top. So far, I don't have a problem. Firstly, the lane just stops. Secondly, the road markings begin to push you back over to the left, towards where that bike lane just ended. What if a cyclist and another road user reached here at the same time? I don't feel there's a lot of room to assess and make a decision here, and there's not much prior warning either. I feel a bike lane ends sign would make this situation a lot safer. Coming from the other direction, it's also the same situation. My main takeaway from this clip is not to assume a bike lane continues. Hang back until you know. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts. Cheers.